Well now, as we keep mentioning, these cars are production cars that you and I can go and buy from the dealer tomorrow if we've got the money to buy one. So we thought an interesting exercise might be to take our producer Johnny Bay out with Peter Brock in his production car and have Brocky give him a few driving tips. Here's what happened.
Okay, Hill Corner. This is Hill Corner. This is named Hill Corner because by the time you get here, you've got no brakes left. They say hell or something worse. Off of the brakes now.
It must be every big boy's dream to gun it around Mount Panorama and to have the king of the mountain, Peter Brock, guiding you all the way.
Hold your hands at 2:45. Down a bit further. Okay, you've got to tell yourself, this piece of road is my bit of road. I'm in charge. Now, okay, back to third. Now, into the apex. Right in there, follow that curve around. Now, don't want you fighting the steering wheel. That's it, that's it. Now, let it unwind the wheel. Let it smoothly come out to the left-hand side. That's good. Keep this girl away here. High here, going. Okay, now just get in here, in close. Boot it, and use that bit of the road on the right-hand side. Second gear, hold it, second, hold it, second. Now up to third, and use the left-hand side of the road. Now you're doing all right. You've got to get the corners here. Watch the inside there. Remember to watch the jigs on here. No, looking good. This is famous corner, Reed Park corner. Very difficult for drivers. You can't see where the road goes, as you can see. Now, swing it in now, gently. Don't wiggle those wheels, so get those hands back to that. That's it. Over the crest. Now you lift off. This is McPhillamy Park, one of the great corners. Into the apex. Gently in here, not too soaring on the wheel. Just a nice sweeping balance on the corner here. Skyline, difficult. Incredible corner. Greatest corner, I think, in Australia. Possibly the world. Turn right. Off your brakes, no brakes at the stage, into that point over there. Now aim for that inside of that corner there. Brakes on, back to third. Or second or third, I don't mind. Okay, right hand side now. Hard left. Flat hard right. Straight down there, make a straight line on all these pieces of road. Right, back to second. Oh, third will do then. Lift in here, your apex is over here. Right. But you've done okay. Remember one day Dickie Johnson finished those trees down here, so you've done better than them. You're doing okay. We want accuracy. Use all the road. It's yours. Into the apex now. I want you to go very close to that curve. Very good. And close to this one. The red flag's out. That's it. You've done sensationally.
Peter, thank you
very
much. Hey. That was fantastic.
You like it?
Thank you, mate. That's really good.
Glad all right.
Woo! What a drive.
Yeah, there's something to talk to your grandkids about, huh? John Bay with Peter Brock, being instructed on how to drive this mountain, and as Harry Firth told us, there's really only one way to drive it. You make the mistake and you pay the price for it. And I'm going to see if I can speak to the instructor himself, having instructed John Bay. Peter Brock, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
How are you going?
Well, I'm just going through Forest Elbow, and it's very difficult at the best of times having a talk, but I've managed to negotiate it okay.
You're going a bit quicker than Johnny Bay was when you were talking to him.
Well, actually, the car's running beautifully. It's I mean, it's a six-cylinder family car. What can I say? So basically, we're thrilled to bits. You can see by now, if you can see is the camera on in the car, by the way?
We sure have. We can see. Yeah.
Well, down here is the tacho. I'm watching it. It's getting to 5.5. I lift off here to get the brakes a bit of a breather for this corner, but 5.5 is, I guess it's about 218, 220k. It's pretty fast, but
sure
it's downhill, of course. Now I'm using third gear through that corner. Some guys over there give me a wave every time I do it good. And if I don't get it good like that time, they sort of don't, you know, it's been done. But the technique on these races is to try not to use the brakes. You know, just try to use the tyres. Because notice how much steering lock I'm putting on there. I'm trying to use the car to the tyres in the car to pull it up.
Right.
You know, this sort of endurance event is very, very difficult on the rest of the car.
Okay, a little while to go, Peter. How are you feeling? You holding up all right?
Yeah, I'm actually feeling fine. I've driven 2/3 of the race distance on the end of it all. I suppose I've driven about 6.25 hours right now, maybe a little more. And I'm feeling surprisingly good. I've had a couple of cups of tea, and there's a few fans up there waving us on. G'day. Hi, fans. There's a girl there. She's waving some black lingerie at me. And
yes,
I kid you not, Tim.
We heard about her, Brocky, yeah.
I don't know who she is. Bev's back there. I think Bev's heard about it too.
Mate, you're sounding very happy and relaxed. Obviously a great day that we'd like to see continue for many years.
Well, look, this sort of event is fabulous. you know, you have to be patient, you have to have technique, you have to just sort of just get the car right through a corner, just get it balanced, and use all the road. And it's a very, very rewarding feeling. I mean, it's not like the mechanical parts of breaking down you've got no control over. Driving these stock standard cars, go kids, they're amazing because it's up to you. You're totally in control of going to wear out the front stub axles by bashing into curbs like that over there, or tyres. I'll get McPhillamy here. She's a ripper cordless McPhillamy.
Don't you love it? Look at
it go. That's absolutely flat. And this is Skylight, and this is one hell of a corner, I'll tell you.
Look at that, and talking at the same time.
Well, it's not all that easy, I can tell you. I would like to do it every 5 minutes. There we go. Just sort of floating it over the dipper, driving across it rather than around it. That's the technique of the dipper. Yep. And you make a straight line out of this bit here too, then back to second here. Just touch the brakes,
yep.
And then use the front tyre to wash off the speed. It's a little Suzuki in front of me, a little Apple tyres one.
And away you go.
I'll tell you what, these little cars go very fast nowadays too, Tim.
Now listen, Peter, in hindsight, would you have liked a little bit more firepower today?
What would you like?
A little bit more firepower would you have liked today in hindsight?
Look, mate, I'm sorry, I've got the crackles in here. I think it might be, I'll go past the old drive-in theatre. I think maybe there's a feature film there still showing us something here in Bathurst.
All right, mate, we'll leave you alone now. You drive away. Thanks very much. That was great.
Thanks, Tim.
Okay.